Rubix Talent Kids.
Hi friends, my name is Nidhish. Today I'll be explaining you the topic physical and chemical changes. This topic will come for you in class 7 science. Now let's learn about physical and chemical changes. Friends, before learning about physical and chemical changes, let's learn about reversible and irreversible change. Here, first let's learn about reversible change. Reversible change means that the changes, like you took a ice cube, you kept it on some plate, it melts after some time. Now you can make that water back into an ice cube by freezing it. That is called reversible change, which means that the changes which can be reversed are called reversible change. And here irreversible change is the opposite of reversible change. Now let's see a few examples of reversible change. First one, lighting up a bulb. Now here, lightening up a bulb. Now it is a reversible change, because when you on it, you can also off it. Now similarly, melting of ice, we also have stretching of rubber band. Now all of these are reversible changes, because once now the light bulb is off, it becomes on, it's a change. It turns from off to on, it's a change. Melting of ice, now here you took ice cube, it melted, you again freeze that water, it becomes the same ice cube. Now stretching of a rubber band, you took a rubber band, stretched it, you release it, it comes back to the same size. These all are reversible changes. Now let's see about irreversible changes. Now let's take aging. Now you grew up, now suppose you were born in 2013, now till now you have grown 11 years. Now you cannot degrade, you cannot go back in time, and now here, once you grow old, you cannot grow young again. That is aging. Now the second one is rusting of iron. Now you took an iron rod, you kept it somewhere. After like a month or two, rust would be formed on it. That is a irreversible change. Now it cannot be changed. Rusted iron can be polished into smooth iron, but that takes a very long process and a lot of work, so it is considered as irreversible change. Another one is burning of paper, burning of things. Now once you burn up some things, they cannot be reversed. These are irreversible change. These are some examples of irreversible changes. Now let's go on to our next topic. Friends, now let's learn about physical change. Now, what is physical change? Before learning about what is a physical change, let's see what are physical properties. Now the properties like size, shape, color, physical state, temperature, etc. are physical properties, which means that they don't have any chemicals involved. Now here the size. Now if you take a balloon, if you squeeze it, it becomes small. When you relieve your hands, it becomes large. That is a kind of physical change. Now shape. Now you took a sponge, you are pressing it like this, then it would become, its shape would change. Now if you release it, it goes back to normal. It's a physical change. Color. Now if you took a ball, you painted it red, it was a green ball. Now you again painted it green, it's a physical change. Physical state. The state in which the object is, like if it's a ice cube, it's in solid state. If it's water, it's in liquid state. If it's water vapor, it's in gaseous state. Now The physical state refers to gases, solids and liquids. Now temperature. Temperature means the heat which is in the heat which is in the body. Thing which you are seeing are physical properties. Now any kind of change made in these properties is considered a physical change. Now let's see the properties of a physical change. Friends, now let's see the characteristics of physical change. Now here, the characteristics of physical change are: most physical changes are reversible and they can be reversed by a simple process. For a physical change to take place, there is a requirement of less energy or no energy at all. No less energy is required for physical change. Now no new substance is formed in a physical change. No new substance. Now the last characteristic of physical change is that only the change takes place on the physical properties. It only makes change on the physical properties. Now these are the characteristics of physical changes. Now let's go on to our next topic. Friends, now let's see what is a chemical change. Now just like physical change, now what is physical change? The change which is made in the physical properties of an object is called physical change. Now chemical change means the change made in the chemical properties of an object is called chemical change. Now some examples of a chemical change are burning of candle, rusting of iron, electrolysis, digestion, cooking, etc. Now these are some examples of chemical change. Now here, burning of a candle, rusting of iron, electrolysis, digestion, cooking. These are some examples of chemical change. Guys, you might think that why is burning of a candle a chemical change? Now here you took a candle, now it's burning. Now from the side the wax would come, wax would start to drip. Now here it's just changing its shape. Then why is it a chemical change? Because when it is burning, it is really when this tip is burning, then carbon dioxide, CO2 is released into the air. A new substance is being produced. That's why it is a chemical change. Now let's see the characteristics of chemical changes. Now let's see the characteristics. Of a chemical change. Now in every chemical change there is a new substance formed. Now every chemical change, irreversible change. It cannot, so rusting of iron is a chemical change, but it can be reversed after a very hard process. That it is a very long process, that's why it is considered as a irreversible change. Now in every chemical change, a large amount of energy or heat is released or absorbed. And chemical changes occur only under proper conditions. Now if there is no proper condition, then the chemical change won't occur. Now in most chemical changes, gases come out. Now evolution of gas. Some gases are formed. Precipitate is formed. Now in most chemical changes, a gas is formed, precipitate is formed, and the color changes. Mostly the color of the object or thing which you are doing, the chemical change, the color of it would change. Now these are the characteristics of a chemical change. Thank you friends, that's today's video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, keep them in the comment section below. I will definitely answer them, and I hope this video helps you in understanding physical and chemical changes. Thank you friends.